Hi everyone, welcome back. We continue on this camera calibration module, and lastly we learned about the undistorted function. Today we are gonna learn about a new function which is getOptimalNewCameraMatrix function. Actually this is maybe we can switch to the code part and explain in there. Here this was the code from the previous video. We were just calibrating the camera and we are getting the camera matrix and the distortion coefficients, and we were just undistorting it, and at the end if we run we were getting the undistorted image. So this can be also camera stream, but we are just now undistorting via on the image. So here we were getting, but you see there are black parts in the image. Also most of the times if you calibrate your camera, you are gonna these black regions in your stream. So to eliminate that, to optimize it, there is a function which is we are gonna learn now, getOptimal function. So basically all we need to do is just, let's call it first of all, getOptimal new camera matrix. So this is basically taking your current camera matrix, your current distortion coefficients, also image sizes, and some alpha, which is also optimizing parameter, and also the new image size and ROI kind of. So it's just giving you the optimized camera matrix, which is eliminating, which is like cropping but not totally cropping, so just like remapping those to eliminate those black regions in your output. So let's call this function by giving the parameters. For example, first of all, just give camera matrix and distortion coefficients and image size. Image size I think we already have here, so our image is like this, and alpha is the optimizing parameter. You can play with this parameter, but for now just give 0.5. and the new image size, this is basically is just gonna resize, so we can still give the same size for now. And also the ROI, this ROI is your original image, which region of interest we are kind of cropping, so that ROI is gonna be the also output. This is optional, but we can create a ROI and give the output. Okay, just give ROI, yeah, and it is done. And we can go to this function. This function also returns a math, which is also you can visualize with imshow. Let's do it also. cv math output, or yeah, okay, you can use that also, since okay, yes. So basically also this is I think giving the camera matrix, if I am not wrong. So let's first of all optimize. Let's call the new window and call it, I think this output is just a matrix. Let's see together, an output, and let's visualize it. Okay, yeah, this is only matrix, like camera matrix. So you need to this camera matrix optimize now, and you are getting a new camera matrix. So optimized camera matrix. So we can use this now to undistort our new optimized image. So for this one, we can create an optimized image. We can give this as output. Camera matrix is gonna be the optimized camera matrix. Distortion coefficients can stay as it is since it didn't change, and image source is the same, so we already clone it. And yeah, now we need to visualize optimized image, and it's done. Let's run it. Okay, now yes, it already cropped, and it's decreased the black regions, as you can see. Maybe like this you can see better. So those parts are eliminated. Here you see a long area. By playing the parameters, you can maybe just making this 0.8. Yeah, we can understand easily, but anyway, it decreased the black regions, so it optimized your matrix. It didn't break anything. It's still fine. It's a good output. You can still use it, and because most of the developers don't like these black regions, dealing with those, so this is kind of just eliminating it. Also, you can use this ROI to select from your original image. If we first of all just print it, how it looks like. Okay, ROI, and run it. So this was the original undistorted, and it says it starts from 27 to 50, which is around here, and yeah, and it start the cropping around this part and finishing I think around here. So it's just getting those areas and optimizing accordingly. You can also use that ROI by yourself. Yeah, most of the people are not aware of this function, but this is a beautiful one which is helping you to remove those black regions. And in this video simply we just talk about the usage of this function. Thanks for watching. See you in the next videos.